Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the image compression on the MapMarker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the help and feedback section, go to the first option, the settings, scroll down, and in the image saving section you can find the first option, the image compression, and click that, and here just select percent and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.